watching British Rail pass painlessly through the heart of Britain. I sit on a Sunday afternoon on Birmingham Station, watching British Rail pass painlessly through the heart of Britain. Occasionally I jot down a train number, which I may show you when I get home. On second thoughts I feel this kindly gesture may likely bore you, I won't come home. I sit on a Sunday afternoon on Birmingham Station, watching British Rail pass painlessly through the heart of Britain.